Hello everyone, welcome back to Bird Bowling. If you've seen our last video, our last production, Chuck and Icebird got 2 seed and 3 seed respectively, as Bomb is in the championship match. Chuck will be going first as he had the lower seed. He's practicing right now, and Icebird as well. This game is to move on to the championship round against Bomb, your 1 seed. And now Chuck is in for it right now. Here goes. The first shot of round 1. And we have a 1 pin knocked down. So now he has the 1, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6. And he'll get 2 pins so far. Oh, not a good start. Icebird will now get his chance right here. Let's see what happens. 3 pins to take the lead. And he gets, we're gonna say 2 pins. Matilda, can you help? Yeah. Alright, it's the 1, the 3, the 5, and the 6. And there it goes, he got it! He gets it done. In this first round, Chuck has 2 pins, while Icebird has 6 pins. Now, Chuck, let's see if he can get some redemption right here after that first outing. And that's what he needs. 4 pins right here. We could have a split conversion right here. Let's see if Chuck can get it right here. Oh, and a gutter ball. Oh, that is unfortunate. Icebird getting ready for the shot right here, and the 1 and the 6. So Icebird, so far, he has 10 pins so far. Let's see if he can convert the 1 and the 6 right there. And he makes the shot! He makes the shot! There it is! What a shot by Icebird! No way! The 1 pin ricochets off the side and got it in the 6 pin. So now he has 12 points so far with the 2 spares that he has made, as Chuck has 6. Take a look at Icebird's reaction. Icebird's jumping up and down. Matilda sets back up the pins, and we're ready for the 3rd frame. Chuck has 1 last chance. He needs to get all 6 pins to stay alive and have Icebird possibly getting both gutter balls. And the 4, the 6. Oh boy. So let's see if Chuck can convert this right here. Oh, and it gets 5 pins. And that means that Icebird will move on to the championship. So now, no matter what Icebird gets right here, he gets 3 pins so far for the perfect score right here. And, he doesn't get the perfect score. Brings it to 17 pins. A blowout. A 11 to 17 pin blowout right there. What a game. And what a performance by Icebird. Now Icebird will be facing Bomb in the championship game. The game will be today at 6 p.m. Eastern Time Zone in America. Stay tuned to watch the championship game for $200. Oh yeah, and in case you're wondering, Chuck will get paid $50 for his troubles.